You mentioned Karachi, and you go into a thana in Karachi, and it's a totally different. Totally different beast. And I remember having a conversation with somebody who's in the police a while back, and they said, "Well, there's a huge difference between Punjab police and Sindh police." And he mentioned something about funding and the kind of people, the induction of the kind of people who are inducted as well, and there are multiple differences. And is that true? Is there a reason why there's a difference between Punjab police and Sindh police?
So I think the main difference is that they have been able to digitize a lot of their services, and I guess they were the pioneers of it. And in moving towards that sort of model, in introducing systems of digitization, they've been able to deal with this issue of these problems that have very little to do with the police. So to give you an example, they set up these khidmat centers, and the khidmat center, you kind of go in. You guys would have gone through this, that जिस तरह हमारे कल्चर में होता है, यू वांट टू हैव अ लाइसेंस मेड, आप कहते हो यार वो किसका है, कोई जानने वाला वहाँ कोई एसपी या डीआईजी, तो उसको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि यार वो लाइसेंस बनवा दे या हम आ जाएंगे, और सिमिलरली यू वांट अ कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट इफ यू गोइंग अब्रॉड और समथिंग. What the Punjab police has done very successfully over the last, especially I would say over the last 10 odd years, is this move towards digitization. They had a first mover advantage as well. But these sorts of issues, you go into these khidmat centers, and you don't need to have had someone call up beforehand or whatever. You'll take a number from the ticket machine, you'll wait there, chahe aapka license ho, chahe aapka wo ho, and some of them in fact are, if I'm not wrong, 24 hours. So if you're a working person, and you can't go during office hours, you can go at like 9 p.m. at night, एंड आपका जो भी आपका वो होगा, देयर विल बी अ फॉलो अप कि भी इस बंदे का टिकट हुआ, प्रोसेस कहाँ से हुआ. सो sort of, and so they've been very good at that, and not only good at producing those sorts of outcomes in one place, like so you think that अच्छा जी उन्होंने लाहौर में कर दिया, but then in kind of franchising it out into all their districts.